Good morning and namaskar to the respected coordinator, teachers, and my fellow students. I am Parin Lama from grade 9 and 9 and 2 going to present about global warming. Global warming is a process of greenhouse gases being trapped in the Earth's atmosphere and trapping the Earth's heat. The main cause of global warming is carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases trapping the residual sun's heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Deforestation is also a main reason of global warming as the trees are not allowed to absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen in exchange. Global warming is not to be worried about in the future. We should worry about it in the present as it is happening every now and then on the earth here. The research shows that the world's average temperature is increasing by 1.3 degrees Celsius every decade. In conclusion, I'd like to say that global warming is not a problem to be worried about in the future, but right now, as we need to build a healthier future for our future kids.